Please click the subscribe button to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to never miss any updates on my channel, Sweta's Beauty Vanity. Hello my lovely angels, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Sweta's Beauty Vanity. And if you are someone new in my channel, hey, my name is Sweta, welcome to my channel. Today's makeup tutorial is based on this cranberry sparkly eye, which is inspired by Priyanka Chopra's most recent look. As this is the month of love, I decided to recreate this romantic hot reddish cranberry look. And in this video, I'm going to collab with my friend Arijita from glamarousuwitharijita. We both decided to create two different looks to give you some makeup ideas for your Valentine's Day and make it more special. I'll put her channel link in my info box below, so please check her channel and show us love and support by subscribing to our channel. Today I'm going to share a few new tips and tricks along with my tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today I'm starting off with my eye makeup, as today I'm going to use some loose glitter in my eye makeup, so a lot of fallout may happen, and to avoid that mess I'm starting my eye makeup first. And here I'm applying a light shade foundation as my eye makeup base primer. It's not only prime your eyelid but also makes your eyeshadow stay longer on your eyelid and make it more brighter. Then going to set the creamy eye base with the skin color eyeshadow from Aphrodite palette. With a fluffy brush, I'm applying it all over my eyelid up to my brow bone area. Do not skip this step, it helps to blend out the next eyeshadow flawlessly. Now picking this peachy pinky color as my first eyeshadow, and with a flat fluffy Oriflame brush, here I'm directly depositing it onto my crease area. As you can see, I'm running my brush from inner crease area of my eye to outer crease area, and then make almost a V shape by joining the outer end of my eye. It's a tad bit tough to describe, but it's clearly visible what I'm doing right here. Next, I'm going to mix these two colors, and with the dome shape brush I'm applying the eyeshadow right below the previous transition color. As you can see, I started applying the color from inner crease area to outer crease area, same as the previous eyeshadow, but this time more preciously, and I'm building up the intensity little by little as long as I am happy with the outcome. Now the fun part, to create a perfect cranberry base, I'm gonna be applying the liquid lip color from Wet n Wild, which is a bright fuchsia color, and I'm going to use it onto my eyelid. This eye makeup technique is very helpful when you are working with a bright color. A same color liquid lipstick or something which is very close to the color makes the eyeshadow more brighter, and the tackiness of the liquid lipstick helps to hold the shimmery eyeshadow longer on the place. With the same dome shape brush which I used before, I'm buffing out the edges. Here I did not pick up any additional color, just used what left with the brush. And I'm going to use the shimmery cranberry eyeshadow, which is called It's a Girl from the brand City Color Cosmetics, and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush here. I'm packed this color wherever I applied the fuchsia liquid lips shade. This eye look is very easy to create, yet very eye-catching and perfect for your special day. You can absolutely stop here, but as I want to replicate the Priyanka Chopra's look and make the look as dramatic as she wore in this picture, so to continue the eye makeup, I'm applying the NYX face and body glitter in the shade Ruby halfway onto the lid. Prior to this, I used NYX glitter primer onto my eyelid, where I supposed to use the glitter product to stick the glitter onto the lid for the entire day. I'm extremely sorry I skipped this part to film, but anyway, do not skip to use any glitter primer if you are using any glittery product. Let's come to the face makeup, but before that I'm wiping off the glitter particle which is there in my face from the fallout. I applied my moisturizer before starting the makeup. Now it's time to use a face primer, as I have some open pores onto my cheek and nose area. So to erase the pore and make it kind of blurry, I am using the poreless pore eraser primer here and applying it onto the cheek and the nose area. Then as a foundation, I am using these two products, the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation and It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream, and mix these two and make my own custom shade, and then I'm going to apply it all over my face. Then with the best of buffing brush, I'm gonna be blending the product. Here you can see I'm using a downward motion. When you are buffing out your foundation, you should use the downward motion. This way you can get a flawless finish and it never leaves a streaky mark onto your face. Next I'm going with a sponge and dabbing it all over my face to make the base makeup more flawless and seamless. Next, to highlight and conceal my face, I am using the Fit concealer, which is in the shade 20, and I am applying it under my eye, bridge of my nose, on the Cupid's bow, and then with the same sponge I am going to buff that out. Now to draw my eyebrow, I am using the e.l.f. Lock and Liner Brow product, and here I am first drawing an outline following my natural shape. Then I am filling any sparse area whatsoever with the same. I have a separate detailed video how to draw your eyebrow, so if you are interested, please find it from the description box, or you can click the above link. Now to set the eyebrow hair, I am using a brow gel from Rimmel. Next, to set the foundation and concealer, I am using the Wet n Wild Photofocus Press Powder with a flat top Kubikui brush and applying it all over my face. To make the crease color more intense, I am going back with the same crease color and applying with the same dome shape pencil brush. To give a dimension into your face, I am using the CoverGirl Baked Bronzer into hollow of my cheekbone under my jawline. I love the particular bronzer as it gives a subtle golden glow along with the sculptness into your face. Next, to contour my nose, I am using the same bronzer. As a blush, I am using the Milani powder blush in the shade Tea Rose and applying it onto the apple of my cheek. And here is a trick to neutralize the blush and make it more blended. I always love to use the powder compact over the powder blush. It's an useful trick to make your base makeup super flawless. Now to highlight my face, I am using the highlighter from Makeup Revolution Alter Sculpt and Contour Kit and highlight the bridge of my nose, arch of my brow and top of the cheekbone, and lastly onto the Cupid's bow. Now to set everything in place, I am using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist Stand Setting Spray, and then after a few minutes when it's a bit dry, I am dabbing the sponge all over my face. Next, to finish up the eye look, I am using the same crease color, which is the second crease color, onto the lower lash line with my e.l.f. pencil brush. Now to give a subtle definition, I am applying a black eyeshadow, but nothing crazy. I am applying it very close to my upper lash line. If you see Priyanka Chopra's picture very closely, you can see she had a nude eyeliner onto her lower waterline. So to replicate the same, I'm applying the nude eyeliner onto my lower waterline, and this is from Rimmel. As an inner corner brightener, I am using the same reddish cranberry eyeshadow from City Color Cosmetic with a Real Technique Definer brush. Now it's time to add mascara, but beforehand curling up lashes is very important, and then I'm applying mascara both upper and lower lashes, and I'm using Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara in the shade black. Lastly, to finish up the entire look, I'm applying one of my favorite lip shade, which is Wet n Wild Catsuit Mega Lipstick Nice to Fuchsia.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
So there you have it, my Valentine's look for you girls. I applied falsie off camera, but it's totally optional. I hope you guys love it, and if so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to click the subscribe button. And lastly, wish you a very happy Valentine's Day. Spread love and positivity everywhere. Love someone who needs your love. Stay away from negativity and stay positive always. Happiness will come your way definitely. And don't forget to show me some love, 2 thumbs up the video. And that's for the day, guys. I'll come back soon here. Till then, stay happy, healthy and beautiful. Bye bye.